it's me Denise. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, what I will show you is how to organize your small bag. And please be sure to stick up until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, 2! Before we start, let's talk about why organizing your small bag matters. Having a clutter-free bag not only saves your time, but also ensures you have everything you need. No more digging around to find your things when you need it the most. The first step to organizing your small bag is to identify your bag essentials. So, para sa bag essentials natin, ito ay hair comb, earbuds, lip eyes, hair ties, alcohol spray, small wallet, perfume, and last but not the least, efficacy oil roll-on. Now that you have your essentials sorted, let's talk about compact storage solutions or organizers. Time to organize! At yung mga small items nga po pala ay dito natin ilalagay sa glasses container na ito. Madalas na ginagamit itong mga nasa loob na to. Yung efficacy oil, eyes, perfume, and sponge, hair ties, and earbuds. Then, ang sunod naman ay let's check kung magkakasya siya sa bag. So, start tayo. And another tip, arrange your things. Another tip, arrange your things vertically. talk about some time-saving tips to keep your small bag organized. First, make it a habit to declutter your bag regularly. Remove any items that you no longer use. Second, keep your bag organized on the go by utilizing go-to storage solutions like small pouches or cable organizers. And lastly, you should take advantage of technology by using apps to any important documents that you might need in the future. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now!